We recently visited LumiSource, a furniture distribution company located in Elk Grove Village, Illinois, to see the TechGuard Connect Lockers in action. Are you considering TechGuard Connect Lockers to optimize your workflow? We had some questions for them that will help you find the solution that works.
The TechGuard Connect Lockers really have helped us be able to, it made it efficient because people are returning the items back to the lockers, charging it so that the next day there is no hiccup. There's no reason for people to say, oh, I left it on my desk or I left it back at my station and I didn't charge it overnight. It makes them bring it back to the locker at the end of every day. The features that we use the most with the TechGuard Connect Lockers is using the key card system to swipe in and out. They are held accountable for their device because they know that they checked it out with their ID, they checked it out with their key, and they have to bring it back. Early in the morning, the guys will come in to check in, clock in like they normally do, but the second thing that they do is go directly to TechGuard Connect Lockers to pick up their device. And they're easily able to tell whether or not the device of their choice has been checked out or not. And if it's not, they can check it out or just pick the next available item. So they take their device out from the Bretford locker. They make sure that the device is charged and ready to go. They'll close the locker, take it out to do their daily activity. If the device is low on battery, they'll go and return it and check another one out. At the end of the day, management can check to see if there's something missing and can return it to the locker. Yes, I would totally recommend Bretford and their lockers for the use of the chain of custody use and the ability to charge their devices, keep everything in one local space. It makes things very organized. Bird's customer service is great. Getting things in hand was very easy and very quick to implement and get out to our employees. Anybody who needs organization, accountability, this is the way to go.